folks, I have a mini 5-string to show you today. This is number 964, and it's made of curly walnut and pistachio. I really love how that rim turned out. Lots of color variation and a little bit of curl in the neck too, and then a really fancy kind of sapwood pistachio fretboard and head plate. Goatskin head, armrest, brass hardware everywhere. So this is even 17-inch scale, but it's tuned to open G, like a big banjo. Yeah, really cool. And I made the little bridge. This is made out of a piece of wine barrel oak with a walnut topper there. $964. Cheers.